Imagine a day, just like any other. The sun rises in the east, casting its warm glow across the land. Birds sing, people commute, and the world goes about its business. But today is different. Today, the unthinkable happens. The Earth, our constant spinning home, comes to a sudden and complete stop. The very ground beneath our feet, usually a symbol of stability and permanence, becomes a source of unimaginable chaos. The air around us, normally a gentle caress, transforms into a raging beast, and the oceans, vast and deep, rise up in fury. This is the terrifying yet strangely fascinating scenario we're about to explore. What if the Earth stopped spinning?
To understand the catastrophic consequences of a sudden halt, we need to understand why Earth spins in the first place. Picture this. Billions of years ago, our solar system was a swirling cloud of gas and dust. As gravity pulled this matter inward, it began to collapse, forming the sun at its center. The remaining material, swirling and colliding, clumped together to form the planets, including our own Earth.
This primordial spin, a leftover from the solar system's formation, is why Earth rotates today. But it's not just inertia keeping us spinning. The sun's gravitational pull plays a crucial role, much like an invisible string that keeps Earth in its orbit and influences its rotation.
Now, let's stop the world and see what happens. The most immediate consequence of a sudden halt would be catastrophic windstorms. Imagine the Earth's atmosphere, a thin blanket of air held to the surface by gravity. This atmosphere is moving with the Earth's rotation at speeds of up to 1,000 miles per hour at the equator.
When the Earth stops, the atmosphere doesn't. The air would continue to move, now relative to the stationary surface, creating unimaginable windstorms that would circle the globe, ripping apart everything in their path. These winds wouldn't be gentle breezes. They would be forces of unimaginable destruction, leveling cities, forests, and everything in between.
Section 4. Oceanic upheaval tsunamis of unthinkable scale. As if the wind wasn't enough, the oceans would join the rampage, creating a scene of utter chaos and destruction. Think about the sheer volume of water in the oceans, constantly moving with Earth's rotation, a force so immense it's hard to comprehend. A sudden stop would unleash tsunamis of unimaginable scale, waves that would dwarf anything we've ever seen.
These wouldn't be the typical tsunamis we see on the news, generated by earthquakes or underwater volcanic eruptions. They would be far more catastrophic. These would be waves towering miles high, dwarfing the largest mountains, sweeping across continents, reshaping the very landmasses, altering the geography forever. Coastal cities would vanish in an instant, swallowed by the relentless fury of the ocean, leaving nothing but ruins in their wake. Entire coastlines would be redrawn as the water, no longer held in check by Earth's spin, surged inland, creating new shorelines and erasing old ones. The devastation would be unimaginable, a testament to the raw power of nature unleashed, a reminder of the fragility of human civilization in the face of such overwhelming force.
Section 5. A world transformed, the long-term consequences. Imagine a world where the Earth has come to a standstill, a world where the very fabric of our existence is altered beyond recognition. But the chaos wouldn't end there. The immediate aftermath would be just the beginning of a series of catastrophic events. The long-term consequences of a stopped Earth are equally profound, fundamentally altering the planet we call home. The landscapes we once knew would be unrecognizable, transformed into something out of a dystopian nightmare.
One of the most significant changes would be the loss of our protective magnetic field. This field is crucial for shielding us from the sun's harmful radiation. Earth's rotation generates this magnetic field, which acts as a shield against harmful solar radiation. Without this rotation, the magnetic field would collapse. Without it, we would be exposed to the full brunt of the sun's deadly rays. The intense radiation would have devastating effects on all forms of life. This radiation would strip away our atmosphere, bombard the surface with cancer-causing particles, and make life on Earth as we know it impossible. The very air we breathe would become toxic. The Earth would become a barren wasteland, stripped of its life-giving atmosphere and bathed in deadly radiation. It would be a desolate, uninhabitable planet, a shadow of its former self.
Section 7. Conclusion. A moment of cosmic perspective. While the prospect of Earth stopping its spin is a fascinating thought experiment, it's important to remember the vastness of our universe and the incredible forces at play. The universe is a vast expanse filled with mysteries and wonders that stretch far beyond our comprehension. Our planet, a tiny speck in this grand cosmos, is governed by forces that have shaped its destiny for billions of years. The scenario we've explored highlights the delicate balance that makes life on Earth possible. Every element from the air we breathe to the water we drink is part of a finely tuned system. This balance is a testament to the intricate and interconnected nature of our world, where even the smallest change can have profound effects. It reminds us of the awe-inspiring power of nature and the importance of understanding our place within the grand cosmic scheme. Natural phenomena, from the gentle breeze to the most violent storms, are all part of this magnificent tapestry. They serve as a reminder of the raw power and beauty of the natural world. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the steady spin of our planet, a spin that has sustained life for billions of years and will continue to do so for eons to come. Each star you see is a beacon of history, a glimpse into the past, and a promise of the future. Let this thought experiment inspire you to learn more about the cosmos, to engage with the wonders of science, and to appreciate the preciousness of our pale blue dot, the only home we've ever known. Embrace the curiosity that drives us to explore, to seek answers, and to marvel at the universe's endless wonders.